It's turkey time. Okay, so we need brown. These are actually the same color. Don't know why I'm confusing you by having them in two pieces. That's just what I do, confuse people. Okay, brown. Then we need the yellow, orange, and red. And I think we have all the other colors royal icing for the others. If not, we'll figure it out as we go, won't we? Okay, first start with the feet. So yellow ball, finger over half to make more of the teardrop. The reason I'm not doing it like this is because it's just a little bit smaller and it kind of gets lost in your hands there. Okay, we can now pick these up and cut two V shapes out with these small scissors. There's one, and then at that point cut in again and way over here. See how it's just two V shapes that I cut out. Okay, take a toothpick and then draw a line like all the way down here and here, like so. Kind of smooth that out a little. So there's one. Okay, so there's those. Now we need to have the brown. This part of the turkey is going to be done in two pieces. So we're just pretty much going to do a ball like this. It's going to be the body. And then take another piece of the brown. Okay, so I've got a ball like this. Put your finger over half of it and start to roll, keeping this part thicker. That's going to be the head. And then this part down here will be narrow. So what we want to do is take the ball and place that underneath and have this kind of propped up. And if I put my finger here and kind of push that forward a little, like that for the turkey. Okay, you can pop that on top of the feet. That's pretty much sticking, so I don't think I need any water. Then take a toothpick in here, poke it right in that center part, and then twist. Now we can take the yellow again. We're going to make the beak. It's a little big. Ball. Finger over half, make that pointy, and then pick the other part up. Oops, we need this to be just a little pointy too. If I twist it, that's going to go in that opening. A little bit of water in there. Place this in, like so. And then, cut. Okay, beak for the turkey. Then the wattle is below that. It's just a little piece of red. Ball, finger over half, and I just keep it like this and place it like right underneath here. Okay, then the little, actually we'll do the back part first and then we'll do the wings, see how much room we have. Same brown. Do a V shape like this and then start to flatten it and stretch it out a little. This needs to stick up behind him like this, which that looks pretty good right there. So let me just place this down. And then what we want are these three colors here. We're going to start with the red in the center. And we're just going to do balls all about the same size, finger over half. Place this one in the middle and then start to flatten it out a little. Then we'll take two of the orange, finger over half. Start to flatten that out. See how I overlapped it just a little bit? And then we just need the yellow on either side.